All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer, and we have the channel running so that we go find ways to make money online, and we pass those on to you so you can do the same. Right now, we're working on a series. This is a daily series that we're running to see how long it takes us to get to $4,000 a month using Clickbank, which is a free offer through Clickbank. And we are using 5 MLGS accounts for our traffic sources. So it's all copy and paste. That's the only way we're promoting this, just to see how long it will take us to get to that livable income. Now, if this is your first time here, if you haven't subscribed yet, we'd sure appreciate it if you would subscribe. Ring the bell so you don't miss any of the videos coming up. And we are starting a new series also. So this is going to be a brand new series. We'll probably work on this today as well. This is just another system that we just started, and we're going to see how we do with it. Things are looking pretty good, and we will keep updates on this as well. So take a look at that. Also, this is an older series we have up, but we are still working on this every single day. So check that out. And without anything else here, we will go ahead and jump into day number 32 of turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month with Clickbank, step by step. So let's jump right over into our Clickbank account. We'll check some stats like always. And let's see, we'll just adjust this. We'll adjust this for when we started. No, that's not reflecting correctly. There we go. All right, so far, like I saw in the last couple of videos, we've been able to make 4 sales just using this simple step-by-step process. Now we're starting to get them more close together. So that will be, we'll see, today's the 27th. So should be pretty soon here. We should see another sale in there if we follow this same pattern. Now, it did take us a couple of weeks to get there. We ran through that full first offer and didn't have much. And then we started that second offer, and that's where all these sales came from. So that's great. And what we'll do whenever we're done with this offer is we'll move on to the next offer. And we may have to come back to this one. So as we build those leads in there, and they're dumping them in there for us every single day, brand new leads. We're just going to keep building, and we're going to have that snowball effect, and this is going to grow and grow and grow. So let's check out our stats for visitors. So there's all of our sales right there. And let's go for reporting. All right, so overall 7,619 visits to our link, 97 visits to the order form, which is good, and then 4 sales have come out of that. Now we have had people go in and check out the upsells, so that's good. So we may be seeing some of those come in too. And like I said, these are both subscriptions. So we will be seeing some of this in the future whenever they re-up. So this just becomes passive income. We've already got these in there, and we just keep getting paid for it. So for this offer, we have seen 3,884 hops to our link. So this is coming up significantly. Considering this is day 12 and email number 12 on this second offer that we're running. This is all from the second offer. So you can see we're doing very well compared to here. So this we ran the full 20 days, but you can see adding all of those extra leads is really ramping up our visits to our site. So that's exactly what we like to see. And then of course, we are making some money from this. And that's what we set out to prove. When we started this, we started with zero. We started with zero leads, zero anything on here. And we've been able to grow it to now we're making some income. So let's jump over to lead gen secret, my lead gen secret, and we'll go ahead and send our email out for the first account. And I've got the email queued up over here on the Google Doc. And we'll grab our subject line. It's going to be Google social media content, $288 per day. And we'll grab our body of the email, including our hop link, and we'll just change that as we go here. So we're going to highlight and Control V after we've got it. And then as always, we're going to get rid of this bold. We don't want bold everywhere. We have to change our short code to, we'll change it to first name. So Control C and then Control V, comma. I've already read through this. The email looks fine. We're going to go put our signature, our name, and then we got to set up our link. So there's our link. We're going to copy, we're going to highlight and copy our link. So highlight and Control C. And now we're going to go place this right here for sure. Control V. And we're going to bring this up one size and bold. See where else we can put this. We can put it right here. Control V. And we'll go ahead and bold that. We'll just leave the size. And let's put it right here too. So this is an online job. So we'll put it right here. Okay, right there. And we'll go ahead and bold that as well. All right, there we go. So we'll get rid of the link here. So we don't need that anymore. We've already got it set. And we're all set for our next accounts. It's all just copy and paste from here. So we're going to go perfect timing. We're going to grab our email and Control C and copy and then send. All right, then up here, we're going to right click and duplicate that page. Again, sign out. Log back into our next account. Number 2, mailing system, select all. Going to come all the way down. Get our email in there because we already have it copied. So Control V, perfect timing. Go up, go to subject, Control C, Control V, and we're going to grab our email for our next account. Control C, send. All right, there we go. So we go to our other tab and go to our next account. That's why this is so easy. It's just back and forth, copy, paste. We'll log in, mailing system, select all the way down. I'm going to highlight, Control V to paste. Perfect timing. And then we go grab our subject line from our document. Control C, Control V right there. Grab our email again, Control C, and send. Now, the reason we're showing this method of doing this is because it's fast, it's easy, it's very beginner friendly. You don't have to have any knowledge of copywriting. You don't have to have knowledge of making short form videos. You don't have to do any of that. This is something that we are showing that we wanted to test, because if you don't have a lot of time, but you want to get something started and you don't want to show your face, you don't want to make a bunch of videos, you don't know anything about copywriting, then this is something you can do, because it's strictly just copy and paste. That is literally the only way that we have marketed any of this, is just copy and paste emails. So Control C and send. All right, then we go to our last account. Log into our last account right here. Mailing system, select all. We'll go all the way down. Put our email in there. Perfect timing. We'll go grab our subject one last time. Control C, Control V. And then we're going to send this, and this will be our last one for today. So that's the last email we're going to send for today. That's our last account for this series. And that's how easy it is. So now we would be done. We can go do whatever we have planned for the day. We can go to our 9 to 5. We can do whatever we need to do, but we have ads out and working for us. These will remain out there working for us. As we've shown before, we can show, let's show today. We didn't show today yet. So today's the 27th. And so before we even had our emails out for today, we had 102 visits to our link. So now we've got our emails out for the day. Now this is going to grow for today. And it's like that every day now, because we're sending so many out. So we're getting a ton of visits to our website, and we're getting visits to our order form, and then we're making sales. So that is what we want to see. This is working very well. I was hoping it would work well. It does. And this is exactly where we wanted to be. This is what we thought we would see. Like I said, the links are below all the videos. If you want to check out anything else on the channel, please do so. This is where we really make the better money that we're making online. We're making a little bit here now. We do well with this system as well. The savings are amazing on this system as well. And this system is brand new. We just started. And this is it's supplements. So it's actual physical products instead of digital. So we're anxious to see how far we can push this. So make sure you check this out when you're in here and see if you have any interest. We're going to do videos probably every other day, training videos on how to market this product and how to start making money with it. So again, thanks for being here. We appreciate it. Thanks for the support. Please be sure and subscribe if you haven't. If you find any value of these videos, please give me a like on them. I appreciate it. It helps us out a bunch. It helps us be able to bring more knowledge to you, more training to you, and show you ways, whether it be simple copy and paste or a little more extensive, on how to make money online. So we'll see you on the next video. Later.